Hi everyone! So today won't particularly be a straight up unboxing and swatching. The visuals will be like an unboxing and swatching, but for this video, I decided to do a voiceover telling you about how this all came to be. Several of you may know that I've been thinking for quite a while now about getting myself some glittery, shimmery colors. I honestly can't tell you how many hours I've spent reading and watching reviews of all the relevant products out there. There was never really one particular palette that spoke to me. I'd like this one color from that palette and this other color from another palette. Let's just say there's been a lot of internal conflict. In the end, I had a solid list of a couple palettes and a few colors from various brands, of course, that I thought I'd wait till they went on sale and decide later if I wanted to buy them or not. And then sometime around New Year's, I happened upon a couple affordable listings of the Paul Rubens metallic glitter sets. Paul Rubens was one of the ones on my wish list, so I considered it, but a big part of me didn't want more palettes than I already have, and I also didn't particularly like the colors in the 12 set, and the 24 set was just way too many colors for me. And that's when I happened upon a different vendor that was selling Openstock Paul Rubens half pans. And that was when everything clicked for me in my head. I already had a small empty pink palette that I bought way back in 2021 that I haven't even used. And that is basically the exact same one that Paul Rubens sells, except without the logo, of course. It was perfect. I could choose my own colors and put them in the palette, and that's exactly what I did. So initially I was going to get 14 colors, but it seems like the Paul Rubens half pans are larger than average, so I wouldn't be able to fit 7 in a row. So I went with 12 instead. Kim Crick's video of all 48 glitter metallic colors was my main resource and really helped me pick out each of the individual colors I chose. I'll link that video down below because her swatches are a much better reference. I knew I wanted a cyan, magenta, and yellow primary trio, so I went with Deep Interference Blue, Rose Red, and Symphony Yellow. And then I chose a few of the duochrome colors because I just really like duochromes apparently. So that's Crepe Myrtle, Copper, and Green Gold. And then of course I must have a turquoise, so I went with Gold Blue. Now, I already have a couple gold and silvers from Van Gogh and Holbein, so I didn't feel the need to get any more of those. However, I chose the color Flashing Pearl because it's basically like a silver glitter suspended in a transparent base. I thought that could come in handy if I just wanted to add some sparkle to a painting without disrupting what I've already created. And then to round it off, I chose Bronze Satin because it looks like a rose gold color. Bronze because I don't have a bronzy copper color type of thing. And last but not least, Flashing Copper Brown because, well, I just wanted a dark metallic and this was the one that really intrigued me. I am so happy with how this palette turned out. Even though these were just quick swatches, they look so gorgeous already. Apparently, of these 12 that I got, 5 of them are in the 24 color set and 7 are from the 48 color set. Knowing that makes me even happier that I was able to get these colors open stock and able to get the colors that I love without needing to buy the full 48 color set. I'm also keeping my other shimmery colors in here as well, so that's what you see in the middle row there. We have Van Gogh and Holbein's Silver and Gold as mentioned earlier, as well as a couple shimmery Daniel Smith Primatex that Lark previously sent me. I am so in love with this palette right now. I feel like I'll be able to really cherish it much more than if I had just bought a regular 12 pan set. I still need to work out in what order I want the colors to be in, but so far I'm already having so much fun with them. So what do you guys think about my color selection? Did I do a good job, or are there any other colors that you think I should have gotten instead? Well, that's all for today. As always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to drink lots of water and stay hydrated.